The very first question of the exercise 2.2, question number 1. Let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on up to 14. Define a relation R from A to A by R is equal to the ordered pair x comma y such that 3x minus y is equal to 0, where x comma y belongs to A. Write down its domain, codomain and range. So let us try to understand how to solve this question. First of all, what is the relation? There are two sets A, A. Okay, set A contains the elements 1, 2, 3 and so on up to 14. Second 1, 2, 3, this is also up to 14. So first of all, what we see here, what is R, what is the condition? 3x minus y is equal to 0. So this means y is equal to 3x. So here xy, ordered pairs. What is R? R mean, first of all, taking x is equal to 1. Then what is y? Y is equal to 3 into 1, 3. If x is equal to 2, then y is equal to 3 into 2, 6. If x is 3, then y is 3 into 3, 9. If x is 4, then y is 3 into 4, 12. If x is 4, 5, y is 5 into 3, 15. But we see here 15 is not there in set A. So x comma y both belongs to set A. So we cannot choose x is equal to 5. So these are the only elements of the relation R according to this condition. So now what the question is, write down its domain, codomain and range. So my dear friends, what is domain? Domain is equal to, in roster form, what are the ordered pairs? This is the first ordered pair 1, 3. This is the second ordered pair 2, 6. Third ordered pair 3, 9. Fourth ordered pair 4, 12. The collection of abscissas, first elements, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. This collection is called domain of the relation. Second part is codomain. What is the meaning of codomain? Codomain mean the collection of all the elements of second set. Second set is the set A itself. It has the elements 1, 2, 3 and so on up to 14. Last one is write down its range. So how to find range? Range mean, in the relation ordered pairs, the collection of the ordinates, that is second elements 3, 6, 9, 12. 3, 6, 9, 12. This collection is called range. Now taking question number 2, define a relation R on the set n of natural numbers by R is equal to x comma y such that y is equal to x plus 5, where x is a natural number less than 4, x comma y belongs to n. Okay, depict this relationship using roster form, write down its domain and range. So how to solve the question? First of all, a relation from on the set n of natural numbers. X comma y both belongs to n. So this first set is n, second set is also n. Natural numbers mean 1, 2, 3 and so on up to infinity. Here also 1, 2, 3 and so on up to infinity. Okay, so what is here? R is equal to x comma y. So x first natural number is 1, but accordingly y is x plus 5, that is 1 plus 5, 6. Second natural number, x takes the value 2, accordingly y becomes 2 plus 5, 7. Next one is x taking x 3, then y becomes 3 plus 5, 8. Okay, x is a natural number less than 4. So less than 4 mean only up to 3 we can take the values of x. So now this is the depict this relationship using roster form. This is the roster form of the given question. Write down domain. Number 1, what is domain? Domain, as this is discussed in question number 1, the collection of all first elements 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This is called domain. And what is range? Range mean the collection of second elements 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. So this is called range. Now talking about question number 3 of the exercise. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 5. B is equal to 4, 6, 9. Define a relation R from A to B by R is equal to the ordered pair x comma y. The difference between x and y is odd. X belongs to A, y belongs to B. Write R in roster form. So let us see how to solve this question. So first of all, set A contains the elements 1, 2, 3, 5. Set B contains the elements 4, 6, 9. Now what is R? R is the collection of all ordered pairs. Difference between x and y is odd. So how this difference can be odd? 1 minus 4 or 4 minus 1 minus 4 is odd. 1 and 6 is odd. Thereafter 2 and 9. 2 and 9 difference is odd. 3 and 4 difference is odd. 3 and 6 difference is odd. 5 and 4 difference is odd. 5 and 6 difference is odd. So this is the relation in roster form. Our next question is question number 4. The following figure shows the relationship between the sets P and Q. Write this relationship in set builder form, in roster form. So this is the figure. What is its domain and range? How to solve the question? So first of all, R is equal to ordered pair 5 3 6 4 7 5. Okay, now in set builder form, how this can be written as in set builder form? R is equal to xy ordered pair such that y is equal to x minus 2, y 3 is equal to 5 minus 2, 4 is equal to 6 minus 2, 5 is equal to 7 minus 2, where x comma y belongs to P and y belongs to Q. Okay, moreover, that is, or we can say x is less than or equal to 7, greater than or equal to 5, and x belongs to natural numbers. So this is the way in set builder form we can write this relation. Second part, what is the roster form? This is already given here. This is the roster form. What is the domain? Domain is equal to the collection of all first elements 5 6 7, 5 6 7. And what is range? Here range is equal to second elements, collection of second elements 3 4 5, 3 4 5. Our next question is, let A is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6. Let R be the relation on A defined by R is equal to ordered pair A comma B. A comma B both belongs to A. B is exactly divisible by A. Write R in roster form. So first of all, how this relation R, which is given in set builder form, can be written in roster form. Ordered pair AB. A comma B belongs to A. This is set A. But B is exactly divisible by A. So how we can write this? The very first ordered pair should be 1 comma 1, because 1 divide 1 is exactly divisible by A. 1 is exactly divisible by 1. Second ordered pair is 1 comma 2. 2 divide 1 exactly divisible. Next is 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 1 comma 6. Thereafter, after this one, we take here 2, 2 comma 4. We can say here 2 comma 4, 2 comma 6. Thereafter, taking 3 now, 3 comma 6. Okay, so first part roster form. Second part is find the domain of R. What is domain? Domain means the collection of all first elements 1 1 1 1, writing only one time. 1. This next is 2, 2. 2 is 2 times, writing 1 time. Next is 3. So this collection of first elements of the ordered pairs of R is called domain. Number 3. What is range? Range mean the collection of second elements. 1, 2, 3, 4. First of all, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next is 6, 4, 6, 6. That is 6. So this is the range of the relation. Our next question is, determine the domain and range of the relation R defined by R is equal to x comma x plus 5, where x belongs to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how we can write R? R is equal to, first of all, what is x? X is 0. Then what is this? 0 plus 5. Next, x value is 1. So 1 plus 5 is 6. This is y. Next, x is 2. 2 plus 5, 7. 3. 3 plus 5, 8. 4. 4 plus 5, 9. Okay. This way, we can write the elements in roster form. Last one is x is 5, then y is 5 plus 5, 10. So determine the domain. What is domain? Domain is the collection of first elements. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what is range? Range is the collection of second elements. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this was our question number 6. Our next question, question number 7. Write the relation R is equal to the ordered pair x comma x cube. X is a prime number less than 10 in roster form. Write this relation in roster form. So how to solve the question? First of all, in roster form we can write it as x. X is a prime number less than 10. So first prime number less than 10 is 2. Accordingly, this y is 2 raised to power 3. Next prime number is 3. So 3 raised to power 3 is y. Next prime number less than 10 is 5. 5 comma 5 raised to power 3. Next prime number is 7. 7 comma 7 raised to power 3. So we can see here what is the roster form of this relationship. 2 comma 8, 3 comma 27, 5 comma 125, 7 comma 343. Okay, so write the relation in roster form. This is the roster form. Our next question is question number 8. Let a is equal to x comma y comma z, b is equal to 1 comma 2. Find the number of relations from set A to set B. So my dear students, first of all, how many elements are there in A cross B? They are number of elements of set A into number of elements in set B. Number of elements in set A are 3 into number of elements in set B is 2. So 3 into 2, 6. Therefore, number of relations number of relations from A to B is equal to 2 raised to power n, and this is called n, that is 2 raised to power 6. So this is the answer to the question. Our last question of the exercise, question number 9. Let R be the relation on Z defined by R is equal to the ordered pair A comma B such that A comma B belongs to Z and A minus B is an integer. Find the domain and range of R. So first of all, what is R? This is the ordered pair AB such that A comma B belongs to Z. Moreover, A minus B belongs to Z. So we know that difference of all the integers is again an integer. So according to the situation, what is domain? Domain, we can take all the integers A, Z, all the integers. Similarly, what is range? Range also is equal to Z, that is all the integers are the range. So that's all of the exercise. Thanks.